Hello everyone. Today we know about baby animal's name. Lion. Baby is cub. Dog. Baby is puppy. Cat. Baby is kitten. Cow. Baby is calf. Tiger. Baby is cub. Bear. Baby is cub. Deer. Baby is fawn. Sheep. Baby is lamb. Pig. Baby is piglet. Elephant. Baby is calf. Goat. Baby is kid. Horse. Baby is foal. Hen. Baby is chick. Duck. Baby is duckling. Wolf. Baby is pup. Kangaroo. Baby is joy. Zebra. Baby is colt. Peacock. Baby is chick. Whale. Baby is calf. Rabbit. Baby is bunny. Fox. Baby is pup. Owl. Baby is owlet. Monkey. Baby is infant. Donkey. Baby is foal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.